Welcome to Tuesday Talks, brought to you by General Practice Solutions. Today, we're exploring a service that is quietly revolutionizing how practices manage patient communications, our outsourced telephone answering service. In primary care, patient communication is the backbone of smooth operations. Yet, it's also one of the areas that can create the most stress for both staff and patients when it's not handled efficiently. That's where we come in. Every day, practices receive hundreds of calls. Some are routine appointment requests, some are urgent medical inquiries, and others might be follow-ups or billing questions. When your reception staff is overwhelmed, patients can face long waits or, worse, their calls may go unanswered. These delays can affect patient satisfaction, staff morale, and ultimately, the overall reputation of the practice. Our outsourced telephone answering service is designed to address these challenges, providing a professional, seamless solution for every call that comes in. What makes our service unique is that our team isn't just trained in general customer service. We specialize in primary care communications. This means we understand how practices operate, the types of questions patients typically ask, and the systems in use, including SYSTM1 and EMIS Web. Our team integrates with your existing workflows, ensuring that messages are accurately recorded, appointments are scheduled efficiently, and urgent matters are prioritized without delay. Imagine a busy Monday morning at your practice. The phones are ringing constantly, patients are in the waiting room, and your staff is juggling multiple tasks. With our service, calls are answered promptly, patient needs are addressed, and your staff can focus on providing in-person care rather than being tethered to the phone. Beyond peak hours, we also offer extended coverage, ensuring your patients can always reach a friendly, knowledgeable voice. Whether it's early morning, late evening, or during holiday closures. Another key benefit of outsourcing your telephone answering is consistency. Patients receive a professional, uniform experience every time they call, regardless of who is on shift at the practice. Our team adheres to agreed protocols for call handling, message taking, and appointment scheduling, which not only reduces errors but also strengthens patient trust. One of the most common questions we hear is, can your team really handle complex patient inquiries? The answer is yes. Our staff is trained to triage calls appropriately, ensuring urgent issues are escalated immediately, while routine matters are handled efficiently. We work closely with practices to tailor scripts, call protocols, and escalation paths to suit their unique needs. This flexibility ensures your patients feel cared for, and your clinical team is never interrupted unnecessarily. We also find that practices using our service often see a measurable reduction in missed appointments, fewer patient complaints about phone wait times, and an overall improvement in staff satisfaction. Reception teams are less stressed, clinicians have more uninterrupted time to focus on patient care, and the practice operates more smoothly overall. Outsourcing your telephone answering doesn't mean losing control or personal touch. On the contrary, it allows your practice to maintain a professional, responsive presence while freeing up your staff to focus on what matters most, patient care. Our service is scalable, so whether you're a small practice looking to manage peak times or a larger practice needing full-time support, we can tailor our solution to fit your needs. If you'd like to learn more about how our outsourced telephone answering service can transform your practice, visit our website at www.generalpracticesolutions.net. Or call us directly at 0208 865 1942. Our team would be happy to answer any questions and guide you through the process of integrating this service seamlessly into your practice. Thank you for joining us on Tuesday Talks. Remember, smarter solutions lead to better care, and General Practice Solutions is here to help you every step of the way.